What's up, YouTube? Tony and Tommy, Highway 83 Suzuki. You already know what it is. We're living the high life over here, baby. We're talking Suzuki Samurais today. We're talking glove box. You guys ever bought a Samurai and the glove box is just aimlessly hanging out in the back seat, or it just doesn't exist? That's because it's a piece of crap. The plastic hinge, it's got like 40 bends in it, and then it snaps and you'll never see it again. She's a goner. So we've got I didn't come up with this fix. This has been around for many years, but it's something that I learned and I wanted to pass it on to you. We're going to show you how to fix the original glove box for about $5 or $6, or if you don't want to do this, we also offer the glove box on our website. So we have brand new glove box doors, plastic ones, of course. So this is going to be your existing glove box door, and this is the hinge that broke off. So like I said, you get like 38, 39. Ew, she rips clean off. You know what I'm talking about? So now you're like, man, this thing's just flopping around. You ended up chucking it in the back seat. Forget about it. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to show you how to reattach this. Again, we do have brand new glove box doors with the hinge attached in our online store, highway83suzuki.com. If you don't want to do this, just go order one. You know what I'm saying? But this is a metal hinge. So this is a metal hinge we picked up from the hardware store. $5 or $6, like I was saying. You know, no sweat. I got the measurements right here. It's a 1 1/16 inch wide, 12 inches long. That's the hinge you want. That's what you just go to your Ace Hardware or wherever you like to shop, tell them what you need, come out with this puppy right here. It comes with its own screws. So we're gonna basically be screwing it to the glove box door and the other part to the bottom of the dash, and away we go. So I'm gonna have our wonderful camera woman swing around. We're gonna install it real quick. We're gonna share a beer together and yeah, let's do it, come on. Howdy folks, we're installing our glove box. We're gonna take our broken one. We're gonna insert the 2 tabs into there. We're gonna latch it. As you can see, she's a loosey-goosey. So now we're gonna take our metal hinge. I've already got a couple holes, so it'll speed up the video, but you're gonna take your hinge, you're gonna line it up so that the hinge is exactly where you want it. I like to take a scratch awl or something sharp and scribe a couple marks where you want all your holes. Then you're gonna take it back off. Now on here I pre-drilled a couple holes for the video to speed this up. So then I took a drill and I just drilled real tiny little holes to start them. And then I've got our Phillips heads. You can put in as many as you want or just a couple, but I would do them all because it's plastic and you don't want to have them strip out on you. Do it once and be done with it. So we're going to do our 2 screws on here, then we're going to reinstall this and then do the bottom side of the hinge. Okay, you want them tight, not too tight because it's plastic, you'll strip them. Stick her back in, latch her up, come on the bottom side, find your holes you scribed down here or pre-drilled. Oh, that's not the one. Okay, there we go. So we got one there. And one over here. Ah, yeah, baby. Okay, so after that, you're gonna do the other. There's 2, 4, 6, 8 more. 8 more. You're gonna tighten all those in there. You're gonna get a bag that came with all nice stainless hardware. And then you're gonna have a glove box back. Boom. That's how it's done, baby. And $5, $6. This will never break because it's metal. It's made to hinge. Again, we've got the plastic ones. If you don't have a glove box altogether, you can order these from our website. And we'll be right back to finish up the video, guys. That's what I'm talking about. I'm chilling passenger seat in Billy the plow truck. I can store whatever goodies I want in the glove box without them jumping out at me. A couple beers, who knows what, but it's in the glove box, safekeeping. So we appreciate you guys watching another classic Highway 83 YouTube video. And be sure to check out the other videos. There'll be links over here and here. Subscribe below. Check out all of our videos. Order highway83suzuki.com. I'm trying to answer all your questions, but you guys are bombarding my cell phone, so I'm trying to keep up. Thank you for all the orders. We'll be back soon. Ah, yeah, living the high life, baby.